we have a whole bunch of filters, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you the difference between all of these filters, okay? I kind of have a good, better, and the best kind of scenario set up for you so you can have an idea of the differences between each of them, okay? So this one right here, I'm gonna give you a good example. I don't know if you can see through it, but what I'm gonna do is take my phone right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and shine some light. And the light's gonna help us have an idea if small particulates could get through it. Because quite frankly, the most important thing is to stop these small particulates from infiltrating your system, because that's what causes it at year 8 to be nasty inside out here in Texas, okay? Do you see the light there, how it's coming right through? So if light could get through it, you know, that means obviously dust and small particulates can too. Now here is option number 2. By the way, that was the lowest MERV rating possible, like the cheapest filter you could buy. This is probably middle of the road kind of option. As you can see, it's built a little different. It's built more sturdy. It's not flimsy, okay? This is what we call a pleated filter. Now, if I shine the light, you can still see light, but it's a lot less. If you look, you can't even see my phone on the back of here. The other one, you could see everything through it, right? So this is gonna catch not the fine dust particulates, but it's gonna catch kind of the bigger stuff, okay? So I'm gonna set this to the side, and now the one I'm really excited about. This is the one I have in my personal residence. And yeah, I'm an HVAC guy you could trust, but check this out. So this is actually an Aprilaire filter. So it comes in a box like this, okay? Here, I'm gonna slide it out for you. So that's how it comes out of the box. I'm gonna set the box to the side. Now, if you look at it, it's called an accordion style filter. Look at that, okay? Look how thick it is width-wise from left to right. What about this way? Do you see how it has like a fluff on the side? Well, this actually helps it enclose entirely, which allows for it to not allow any dust particulates around it. Now let's do the light test that we've been doing. You can barely see any light coming through it. That means less particulates are gonna be able to get through it into your system and cause damage down the way, right? Because we want our systems to last 15, 20 years nowadays. Not like the old days where it's like 10, 15 years, it fails, and then you're wondering why. So if we keep it clean, it's gonna last longer. This thing will do it. I'm gonna set this aside, but this is so important. It's a big myth that you have to change your filter every 3 months. There is no time frame on it, okay? The reality is when your filter's dirty, that's when you change it. And the only way you know if it's dirty is if you inspect it regularly and then you change it once it's dirty, okay? And you can do the light test. Once you can't see a lot of light through it, you know it's clogged up, right? Now, if you change it too soon, you're gonna be wasting money. If you change it too late, you're gonna be damaging your air conditioning system. But I'm gonna go ahead and move forward to the next part, and that's the housing. So you can actually see how robust this housing is, okay? Now, what I love about this is that when you pull it off, unlike a lot of other 4-inch manufacturers, 4-inch filter is what I'm talking about. When you pull this off, you're gonna see it has actually this like bubble wrap looking stuff. And I'm just trying to put it in perspective of a regular person, so don't mind me. There's some technical terms I'm gonna leave out, okay? But it just got a seal right here. Imagine if you didn't have a seal here and dust could just suck right through the front of the door. It would probably rather go through the door than through the filter, because the filter catches everything, right? Because it's just like water. Air flows with the path of least resistance, all right? So the cool thing about this housing is, it's very unlikely you're gonna break it. Yeah, we got plastic tabs down here, but you just slide them in and then you just push it closed. The metal tabs do all the work because they pinch in and they're metal. So they're robust and they hold form. So it's gonna close very easily, okay? I'm gonna set this to the side, all right? And then this housing, as you can see, is really robust, right? You could look all the way through it. It's got like its own, I call it an Amtrak. It's kind of a joke I make, but it's like it slides right in there very easily, which allows it so that it's easy for you to know how to, you know, change it. And the cool thing about the rail system is when it slides on there, look, it's on a rail. So it's gonna really close and capture all the dust particulates you could imagine, okay? And that's really gratifying. When you pull this out and it's dirty, you know it's not getting inside of your system and turning into like bacterial growth and stuff we find in Texas. And these are just general tips. So if you want more information or how it works, just reach out, hachiair.com, and you'll be able to pull us up, see all of our information, all of our reviews and everything, okay? We're here for you. We're here to serve the community of San Antonio and the surrounding areas. Reach out. Thank you.